You drink them before bed. But what if those bedtime drinks could repair your kidneys, reduce creatinine levels, and help you wake up feeling clearer, lighter, and stronger? Tonight, we're revealing 4 powerful nighttime drinks that silently heal your body while you sleep. And the 4th one? Almost nobody is using it. Yet. Welcome back to the channel that brings you science-backed remedies that work while you rest. If you or someone you love is dealing with high creatinine, fatigue, or early kidney damage, you need to know what you put in your body before bed can dramatically impact your kidney health. In today's video, we'll uncover 4 science-based bedtime drinks that support renal detoxification, regulate blood pressure, and improve your sleep. And yes, they're safe, natural, and incredibly easy to make at home. Stick around until the end, because we've saved the most powerful remedy for last. Let's get real for a second. Your kidneys are silent workers. They filter nearly 50 gallons of blood every single day, removing toxins, balancing fluids, and regulating hormones. But when creatinine levels go up, it's a sign your kidneys are struggling. And here's something most people don't know. Your body performs deepest repair and cellular regeneration while you sleep. So, what you drink 30 to 60 minutes before bed can either support this healing process or quietly make it worse. Drink 1. Warm barley water. Simple, ancient, and incredibly effective. Barley water is a powerhouse for kidney health. It contains beta-glucans, magnesium, and antioxidants that reduce kidney inflammation and support glomerular filtration. A clinical study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences 2020 found that daily intake of barley water improved renal markers and reduced oxidative stress in patients with early-stage kidney dysfunction. But here's the real secret. Drinking it warm before bed enhances vasodilation, allowing your kidneys to filter more efficiently during sleep. How to make it? Boil 1 tablespoon of barley in 300 ml of water for 15 to 20 minutes. Strain, add a slice of lemon if desired, and sip it like a gentle detox elixir. Drink 2. Chamomile and parsley infusion. This isn't your average calming tea. Chamomile works as a natural, mild sedative, helping you fall asleep faster and deeper. Meanwhile, parsley contains apigenin, a compound shown to increase urinary output and reduce urea and creatinine buildup. In a randomized trial in Phytotherapy Research, 2019, parsley tea consumption increased diuresis by up to 15%, helping flush excess sodium and toxins that can overwhelm your kidneys. Recipe tip. Use fresh parsley, 1 handful, and 1 chamomile tea bag. Steep together in hot water for 10 minutes. The floral aroma relaxes the nervous system, while the herbal compounds gently support renal elimination. Drink 3. Banana peel tea. Surprising, right? But banana peels are rich in tryptophan, dopamine precursors, and magnesium, a powerful trio that helps you relax, sleep, and detox at the same time. Why does this matter for your kidneys? Because deep, uninterrupted sleep enhances erythropoietin production, which supports red blood cell creation, a key function regulated by healthy kidneys. A 2021 study from the Journal of Medicinal Food revealed that banana peel extract can also help reduce systemic inflammation, indirectly benefiting kidney filtration. To make it, use an organic banana peel, washed. Boil for 10 to 12 minutes and strain. It tastes slightly sweet, and you can add cinnamon for flavor and extra benefits. Drink 4. Hibiscus and pomegranate peel blend. This one's for the heavy hitters. Hibiscus contains anthocyanins and polyphenols that have been shown to lower systolic blood pressure by up to 14 millimeters of mercury, reducing the load on your kidneys. On the other hand, pomegranate peel is packed with punicalagins, powerful antioxidants that protect the nephrons, those tiny kidney filters that get damaged when creatinine levels are high. Research from Frontiers in Pharmacology, 2022, showed that pomegranate peel extract reduced markers of kidney injury in rats by over 30% in just 4 weeks. How to brew? Use dried hibiscus petals, 1 teaspoon, and a small piece of dried pomegranate peel. Steep in hot water for 7 to 10 minutes. The result is a tart, deep red tea with a smooth finish and a powerful effect on your renal system. Don't just take our word for it. Dr. Alicia Thomas, a nephrologist at Boston Renal Institute, says, your kidneys do their best repair work at night. Simple hydration, when paired with anti-inflammatory herbs, can significantly reduce renal strain. And in a controlled study with over 300 CKD patients, published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition, Those who consumed barley water and hibiscus tea daily saw creatinine levels drop by up to 12% over 6 weeks. But what happens when you combine these drinks with one simple bedtime habit that activates your body's natural lymphatic drainage? We'll reveal that in our next video. So before you leave, hit that subscribe button, because the most powerful healing often comes from what we overlook. And it's not just your kidneys that feel the difference. When your filtration system is working efficiently, your brain fog fades, you sleep deeper, wake up more refreshed. Your mental clarity, emotional balance, and even your motivation return. Because a clean body creates a calm mind. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated regimens. Just 4 natural drinks, taken before bed, can support kidney detox, lower creatinine, and improve your sleep, naturally. Start with 1 tonight. Even small changes lead to big healing. Which one will you try first? Comment below: barley, parsley, banana, or pomegranate. I read every response. And if this video brought you value, tap that like button to support the channel. Subscribe so you never miss a science-backed health solution. And share this video with someone who needs natural kidney healing tonight. Until next time, stay consistent, stay curious, and let your body heal.